Welcome to the channel. Today we will be doing the third sum of chapter Trigonometry. The question says, if sine A is 3 by 4, then we are supposed to find out cos A and tan A. Now, they have given sine A as 3 by 4. Consider a right angle triangle, say A, B and C. It is right angled at B, and here in theta place we have A. So they are saying sine A is 3 by 4. So here at angle A we have theta. Now what is the ratio for sine? It says opposite by hypotenuse. So now here we can understand that opposite value is 3 and hypotenuse value is 4. Now theta is present at angle A, so opposite is the side BC, so its value will be 3 cm and hypotenuse will be 4 cm. Now we are supposed to find out this side. For this again we will be using Pythagoras formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, AC is 4, the whole square is equal to AB, we don't know the value, plus BC 3 the whole square, 4 square is 16, AB square plus 3 square is 9. We need AB value, so we will send 9 this side. It becomes 16 minus 9 is equal to AB square. Now 16 minus 9 is 7 is equal to AB square. When the 2 power comes this side, when it crosses equal sign and comes this side, it becomes root of 7. So we have got AB value as root 7. So AB value is root 7 centimeter. Now we have found out AB value. Now they have asked us to find out what is cos A and what is tan A. Cos A. The ratio for cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is this side AB. So adjacent value is root 7. Root 7 by hypotenuse is 4. So this is our value for cos A. Next is tan A. Ratio for tan is opposite by adjacent. Opposite to theta is side BC, and BC value is 3 and adjacent value is root 7. So tan A value is 3 by root 7. So we have found out cos A and tan A. Cos A is root 7 by 4 and the value of tan A is 3 by root 7. So this solves our third question. We'll move on to the fourth question. Fourth question says that given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find out sine A and secant A. So what is given? 15 cot A is equal to 8 is given. We'll write it down. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Now this number 15 will come here. Now in between 15 and cot A there is multiplication sign. So whenever a number which is getting multiplied to another factor here, when it crosses equal sign, it becomes division. So cot A can be written as 8 divided by 15. So now we got the value of cot A as 8 by 15. The ratio for cot is adjacent by opposite. So let us draw a right angle triangle A, B and C. And here we have cot A, so theta will be at angle A. So our adjacent value will be 8, opposite value will be 15. So this is our opposite side. This value is 15 and adjacent is this side AB. Its value will be 8. Now we are supposed to find out AC value. For that we'll be using Pythagoras formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, AC value we don't know. AB square is 8 square plus BC is 15 square. AC square is equal to 64 plus 225 289. So AC will be equal to square root of 289. So AC value will be 17 centimeter. So we have got AC value as 17 centimeter. Now they have asked us to find out sine A and secant A. Sine A ratio is opposite by hypotenuse, and opposite is BC. Value is 15 by hypotenuse value is 17. Next, now let us find out secant A. Secant A ratio is hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse value is 17 centimeter and adjacent is 8 centimeter. So thus we have found out sine A and secant A. Sine A is 15 by 17 and secant A is 17 by 8. So this solves our fourth question. So now let us move on to fifth question. Fifth question says that given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. And now they are asking us to calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Now secant theta is given as 13 by 12. Secant ratio is hypotenuse by adjacent. Now let us consider a right angle triangle. Say A, B and C. Now they have given value as 13 by 12. So our hypotenuse value will be 13 and adjacent value will be 12. So hypotenuse 13 centimeter, and if this we are considering as theta, this will be our adjacent side AB. Now we are supposed to find out BC. Pythagoras formula: AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC value is 13 square, AB value is 12 the whole square plus BC square. 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144, BC square. Now we need BC value, so we will send 144 this side. It becomes 169 minus 144 is equal to BC square. 169 minus 144 is 25 is equal to BC square. We need the value of BC, so square comes this side. When it crosses equal sign and comes this side, it becomes square root of 25 is equal to BC. Square root of 25 is 5. So BC value is 5 centimeter. Now they are asking us to find out other all ratios, other 6 trigonometric ratios. Now first we will start with sine theta. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is this BC. So ratio for sine theta will be 5 by hypotenuse 13. So 5 by 13 is the ratio for sine theta. Next, cos theta. Ratio for cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is 12 divided by hypotenuse 13. So our value, move on to third one, tan theta. Tan theta, the ratio is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 5 centimeter and adjacent is 12 centimeter. So our tan theta value will be 5 by 12. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta ratio will be hypotenuse by opposite. So the hypotenuse value is 13 and opposite is 5. So cosecant theta value is 13 by 5. Next, we'll look for cot theta. Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent value is 12 divided by opposite 5. So our value for cot theta is 12 by 5. So these are the other trigonometric ratios which they had asked us to find out. So this solves our fifth question. Now let us move on to the sixth question. Sixth question says that if A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Now they are saying that angles A and B, these two angles are acute angles, which means that these two are not right angles, they are acute angles. And what is given in the question is cos A is equal to cos B. So these two are important for solving this question. Now let us consider two right angle triangles. Now they are saying A and B are acute angles. So here we are not supposed to write B or A because they are saying it is acute angle. So either A should come here or here and B should come here or here. So here A and B won't come, so always here C will be there in this question. Now here we will put A and B. Here also we will put A and B. Now it is given that cos A and cos B. So one in theta place in one triangle we keep at A angle, theta will be placed at A. In another triangle we will place theta at angle B. Now it is given that cos A is equal to cos B. They are already saying that cos A is equal to cos B. Now ratio for cos A we will find out. Ratio for cos A. Cos ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. So for cos A, for this triangle, adjacent is AC. So we will write AC. Hypotenuse is AB. So this is our first equation. Next, cos B. Let us find out for cos B. For cos, the ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. So for this triangle, since we have B in theta place, so we will be considering this triangle. For this triangle, the adjacent is BC. So BC by hypotenuse is AB. Now this is our second equation. Now they have given that cos A is equal to cos B. So cos A value is AC by AB. So in place of cos A, we will substitute AC by AB is equal to cos B. The value for cos B is BC by AB. We will substitute in place of cos B its value BC by AB. Now we can see the denominators present on either side of equal sign are same. So they will get cancelled. So AC is equal to BC. So these are the sides. It is saying that this AC is equal to this side BC. So for this side, the angle, acute angle is A. For this side, it is B. Hence, it is proved that angle A is equal to angle B. So this solves our sixth question. Now let us move on to seventh question under exercise 11.1. It says that if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is sub question under 7, and there is another sub question cot square theta. So now let us solve the sub question A under 7th question. So our first sub question is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So what is given in the question is cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. The ratio for cot theta is adjacent by opposite. So our adjacent value is 7, opposite value is 8. So let us consider a right angle triangle. If this is our theta, this is the opposite side. So opposite value is 8 centimeter and adjacent value is 7. We are supposed to find out AC. So for that we will be using Pythagoras formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to 8 the whole square plus 7 the whole square. AC square is equal to 8 square is 64 plus 7 square is 49. 64 plus 49 is 113. When the square comes this side, it becomes square root of 113. So now we have found out AC value as 113. Now our question is to solve this sub question A. So let us solve this sub question A. So now first we will find out sin theta and cos theta value. Sin theta, sin ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 8, hypotenuse is root of 113. So this is our sin theta value. Cos theta, the ratio for cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is 7 and hypotenuse value is square root of 113. So now we have found out sin theta value and cos theta value. We will substitute in this question, we will get the answer. So our question is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now, our next step will be 1 plus sin theta value is 8 divided by square root of 113 into 1 minus sin theta is 8 divided by square root of 113. The whole is divided by 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus our cos theta value is 7 by root of 113 into 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta value is 7 by square root of 113. Now this is looking like A minus B into A plus B. So the formula for A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. This is the algebraic formula which will be used for solving this sum. So since our equation is looking like A plus B into A minus B, again here A plus B into A minus B, we will be using this formula. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So this is our A value. A value is 1, B value is 8 divided by 113. So A square 1 square minus B square. B is 8 divided by square root of 113 the whole square. Similarly for denominator also. This is our A value. A square minus B. Our B value is 7 divided by square root of 113. Now 1 square is always 1 and it is 8 divided by square root of 113 the whole square, which means that this square is applied for 8 also, square is applied for square root of 113 also. So it is 1 minus of 8 square is 64, square root of 113 the whole square will be 113, the whole divided by 1 square is 1, 7 square is 49, whole divided by 113. So our next equation will be, we'll have to take LCM. 113. LCM is multiply this number with this number with this number, and multiply these two numbers. So 113 into 1 is 113 minus 164 is 64 whole divided by 113 into 1 is 113 the whole divided by. Similarly for this also LCM. Multiply this with this number with this, and these two numbers. 113 into 1 is 113 minus 1 into 49 is 49 whole divided by 113 into 1 is 113. Since the denominators of these two are same, we'll cancel these two. We are remaining with 113 minus 64 is 49. 113 minus 49 is 64. So this is our answer for our first sub question. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So this solves our first sub question under 7th one. So next we'll move on to the second sub question. So our second sub question was cot square theta. We are supposed to find out cot square theta. So we have cot theta value given as 7 by 8. They are saying cot square. So just we'll have to square this number. So cot square theta will be equal to 7 by 8 the whole square. 7 sevens is 49. 8 eights are 64. So our cot square theta value is 49 by 64. So this solves our second sub question under 7th question. So let us move on to 8th question. 8th question says that if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So in this question we'll have to check whether this which is on our LHS side is equal to this which is on our RHS side. What is given is 3 cot A is equal to 4 is given. So from this we can get cot A value. Cot A, as I said in the previous question, between 3 and cot A there is multiplication sign present. So when it crosses this equal sign and comes, it becomes division. So it comes as denominator to 4. So cot A value is 4 divided by 3. Now the ratio for cot is adjacent by opposite. So our adjacent value will be 4 and opposite value will be 3. Consider a rectangle triangle. And the same, it is cot A. So theta will be in the angle A. And the same adjacent value is 4. Opposite value is 3. We don't know AC value. So use again Pythagoras formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square 4 the whole square plus BC square 3 the whole square. AC square is equal to 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. AC is equal to square root of 25. So AC is equal to 5. So our AC value is 5 centimeter. Now we have got AC value. Now let us find out tan square value, cos square value, sin square value. So first, in order to find out tan square value, we will have to find out first tan value. Tan A is, no, tan ratio is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC 3, adjacent is 4. This is tan A. So our tan square A will be 3 by 4 the whole square, 9 by 16. So this will be our tan square A value. Next, sine A. Sine ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite value is 3. Hypotenuse value is 5. So sine square A will be square of 3 by 5. That is 9 by 25. Next, cos A adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Cos square A will be square of 4 by 5, which is 16 by 25. So now we will substitute these values in this given equation and let us find out whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So let us write down tan square A value is 9 by 16. Sin square A is 9 by 25. Cos square A is 16 by 25. So these are the values what we have got, and we are supposed to prove 1 minus tan square A whole divided by 1 plus tan square A, whether this is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So 1 minus our tan square A value is 9 by 16. 1 plus tan square A value is 9 by 16 equals cos square A value is 16 by 25 minus sin square A value is 9 by 25. Now here we are supposed to take LCM. LCM is multiply this with this number with this number and these two numbers. Similarly for this also, 16 with 1, 1 with 9, 16 and 1 will be multiplied. So 16 ones are 16 minus 1 9s are 9 whole divided by 16. The entire one is divided by 16 ones are 16 plus 1 9s are 9 whole divided by 16 is equal to, here the denominators are same, so we will directly subtract 16 and 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. Here the denominators are same, so 16 and 16 will get cancelled. Now we are remaining with 16 minus 9. The 16 and 16 has got cancelled, so down we are having 16 plus 9 is equal to 7 by 25. 16 minus 9 is 7, 16 plus 9 is 25, and here on RHS we have 7 by 25. So here we can see LHS is equal to RHS. So hence it is proved that 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So this solves our 8th question. So now let us move on to the 9th question. 9th question says that in a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, then there are two sub questions under 9th one. Find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second sub question is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So now it is given that tan A is 1 by root 3. Ratio for tan is opposite by adjacent. So opposite value is 1, adjacent value is root 3. Consider a right angle triangle ABC right angled at B. Opposite value is, now if we consider A as theta, opposite will be 1 and adjacent will be root 3. We'll have to find out AC value. We'll be using Pythagoras formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB is root 3 the whole square plus BC is 1 the whole square. AC square is equal to root 3 the whole square is 3 plus 1. AC square is equal to 4. AC is equal to square root of 4. AC is equal to 2 centimeter. So our value is 2. So we got the value of AC as 2. So now our first sub question is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So first we have to find out what is sin A and cos C. So now let us find out what is sin A and cos C. So for this, let us consider two right angled triangles. This is our first right angled triangle. This is our second right angled triangle. A, B and C. A, B and C right angled at B, and the same for cos C, the theta is at C. For sin A, theta is present at angle A. For cos C, theta is present at C. So therefore to find out sin A, we will be using this triangle. For finding out the value of cos C, we will be using this triangle. So therefore we have taken two right angled triangles. But the values remain same. Root 3, 1 and 2. Root 3, 1 and 2. Now, sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse plus cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Sin is opposite by hypotenuse. Now here it is sin A and cos C. In between these two there is a multiplication sign. Again for cos A and sin C there is multiplication sign. Now in between these two there is a addition sign which is given in the question. Now sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. Sin A opposite is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So 1 by 2 multiplied with cos C. So we will be looking for this right angle triangle. Cos C adjacent 1, hypotenuse is 2 plus sin cos A. For cos A we will look for this triangle because theta is A. So for in this triangle cos A will be adjacent root 3 by hypotenuse 2 into sin C. This triangle opposite is root 3, hypotenuse is 2. Now 1 1s is 1, 2 2s 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 2s 4. Denominators are same, so numerators get added up. 3 plus 1 is 4 by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are. So our value is 1. So sin A cos C plus cos A sin C value is 1. So this solves our first sub question under 9th one. Next we'll move on to second sub question. Same two triangles will be used. Now cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here multiplication sign is there. Cos C adjacent by hypotenuse minus of sin ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. Here multiplication sign is there. Sin C opposite by hypotenuse. Now It is cos A. Cos A means this triangle we will be looking for. Adjacent root 3 hypotenuse 2 into cos C. This triangle adjacent is 1 by hypotenuse is 2. This minus sin A. This triangle opposite 1 by hypotenuse 2 into sin C. This triangle opposite root 3 hypotenuse 2. Now root 3 into 1 is root 3, 2 2s are 4, minus of 1 into root 3 is root 3, 2 2s are 4. So this here nothing sign is there, it means that plus is always present. So plus root 3 minus root 3 will get cancelled. Answer is 0. So for our second sub question of 9th one is cos A into cos C minus sin A sin C. The answer is 0. So this solves our 9th question. So now let us move on to 10th question. 10th question says that in a triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is 25 centimeter, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So what is given is PQ value is given and PR plus QR value is given. So let us consider a right angled triangle PQR. It is saying that PQ is 5 centimeter, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Now it is given that PR plus QR is equal to 25. So let us send this QR this side. We'll get the value for for PR as 25 minus QR. Let us consider QR to be as X. So 25 minus X. We are assuming here QR as X. Now we have got PR as 25 minus X. QR we don't know. PQ is 5. Now for this let us apply Pythagoras formula. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR we have got an equation 25 minus X the whole square is equal to PQ is 5 the whole square, QR we don't know the value. 25 minus X the whole square, it is in the form of A minus B the whole square. So A minus B the whole square formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So now A is 25, B is X. A square which means 25 square minus 2 into A into B plus B square is equal to this 5 square is 25 plus QR square. 25 the whole square is 625 minus 25 into 2 is 50. 50 into X is 50X plus X square is equal to 25 plus QR square. Let us get 25 this side. We'll get 625. This minus 25 comes here, becomes minus 25. Minus 50x plus x square is equal to QR square. 625 minus 25 is 600 minus 50x plus x square is equal to QR square. Now we have got a equation. What is the equation given? X square minus 50x plus 600 is equal to QR square. So now x square minus 50x plus 600 is equal to, here we had assumed QR as x. So in place of QR, we'll substitute x, square comes as it is. Now we'll take this x square this side. X square and plus x square comes this side, it becomes minus x square. Remaining minus 50x plus 600 will write it as it is. Since here nothing is there, 0 will write. Plus x square minus x square will get cancelled. Remaining with minus 50x plus 600 is equal to 0. Now this minus 50x will get it to the RHS. So when minus 50x crosses equal sign and comes this side, it becomes plus 50x. We need the value of x. So 50 will come this side. So here it is multiplication between these two. So when crosses equal sign and when 50 comes this side, it comes to denominator. So 60 by 50 is equal to x. 1 0 1 0 will get cancelled. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 1 carry over. 5 2s are 10. So therefore x value is 12. So we got x value as 12. Now here we have assumed that QR to be x. We got x value as 12. So our QR value will be 12. So this will be 12. Next, we had written an equation saying that PR is equal to 25 minus x. So PR is equal to 25 minus of x value. It is 12. So PR is equal to 25 minus 12 is 13. So we got PR value also. So now we got all the three sides value. So keeping these three values, we will have to find out sin P, cos P and tan P value. Now sin P. Since P is there in theta place, so theta will come to angle P. Sin P is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is 12, hypotenuse is 13. Next, cos P. Ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 5, hypotenuse is 13. Next, tan P. Tan P is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 12, adjacent is 5. So we have got the values of sin P as 12 by 13, cos P as 5 by 13, tan P as 12 by 5. So hence we have solved our 10th question of exercise 11.1.